Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a business directory using Listingpro theme. Let me first explain what Listingpro theme is and what are the main features and how it looks like on the demo side. So this is the classic demo for Listingpro. As you can see, you can watch the home page. This is the home page hero section, and these are some categories listed, some cities and some other features, and these are the ads. Ad means when someone lists their business on your website and they pay you, then you can list their ads on the home page or anywhere else in the sidebar or any specific area where people will see their listings more often. Some testimonials and some blogs, news and tips, and these are the footer and header settings, which can be handled from the backend of the Listingpro theme. They also have some other templates like this one. This is for food. We can use these demos. They are already included in the theme. So here is the Listingpro price, which is $70 on Theme Forest. If you already have it, then I'll just show you how to make it possible to build a website from scratch using Listingpro theme. So on Listingpro theme, you can search for any item like beauty and spa and press enter. Here you can mention the city you want to search in, and it will show all available listing. As this is a demo, then maybe they do not have as much listings for search. Let's just type food, and we have some items along with the map in the sidebar where all these locations are mentioned for these things. So on the home page, we have the category section as well. If you scroll down, we have automotive, we have beauty and spa, hotel, restaurant and shopping. Similarly, we have categories listed here, and we have the ads, which we already discussed. I'll show you how to edit these pages. I'll be using Elementor page builder for Listingpro. On Theme Forest, just type for Listingpro and you can get their theme. This video is not sponsored, and I'll not get any commission if you buy this theme. Okay, now come to your dashboard, and when you download and save the theme on your website, on your computer, then you can easily install it here. Click on Appearance, Themes. I already have this theme on my desktop in a folder. Let me show you. I have this Listingpro extracted here. In the listing, I have this Listingpro theme which is ready to install. Grab this to the upload section, click on Add New first, and then click on Upload Theme. Then you can choose file from here, or you can grab that file which I already showed you. Open Listingpro, and choose the theme and click on Install now. If you are installing it on a live site, then it will take a couple of minutes because its size is 29 MB. Click on Activate. After activating the theme on your blank WordPress dashboard, it will ask you for automatic setup. This is a setup wizard where you can choose plugins, the demo contents, demo pages automatically. Click on Start, and which page builder you need, I'll choose Elementor. You can choose WP Bakery as well if you are well experienced in that, but I'll choose Elementor because it is the most common drag and drop builder these days. Click on Next. Now select all these options: Elementor, Listingpro ads, Listingpro plugins, Listingpro reviews, and next in social organizer. Elementor is used for drag and drop page builder. Listingpro ads are the ads like these listings. Each listing is an ad. Not these ads. These ads are paid ads for which user will pay you. But all other things, this individually is a listing, which is by itself it's an ad. So yes, click I'm ready. It will one by one install all these things. I'm stopping this video and skip it till the last one. Okay, it installed all the required plugins. The final plugin, which was Redux framework, is used for options. Now we will choose the classic version because I showed you the restaurant and the other Places Pro templates, which I'm not using right now. I'll use the classic one. Click on classic and then click on accept, and it will set up the whole website just like the demo, like this one. Okay, click on import content and it will grab all these demo contents available on the demo site and build a startup site for you. Then I'll show you how to edit the pages contents, how to add listing, how to add ads for the people, so people can pay and their ad can be showed on your home page and in sidebars. After importing the contents, it will automatically redirect to the license page for Listingpro. If you download it from Theme Forest, then go to your My Account section where you can find this purchase code. You can add this to this page and your theme will be activated. Before activating, you can also use this theme, and let me show you how it looks like on front end. Let's refresh the home page and let's see if it looks exactly like the demo I showed you. Yes, it looks exactly like that. So scroll down to the bottom and yes, everything looks perfect. So all contents are now imported. Let me show you how you can edit these pages. This is the home page, how you can edit the home page. Then there is an add listing page where people can add their listing. In the back end, there is a menu called listings. If you click on that, then here you can see all your business directories or listings added to your backend. This post type is called listing, and from front end, users can register to your website, and if they click on add listing, then they will be able to access this form where they can put their listing or put their business into this website. There are also some prices to add these listing. You can add these listings, these prices in backend. Like this is the $10 per listing, and the premium version is $31.5 per listing. And these are the features included in basic, free, and premium listing. Right now, you can see these are just dummy prices. You can continue with this, or this. Let me click on continue for free. These prices can be managed from this pricing plans. Click on pricing plans from backend, and here you will see these three plans: free, basic, and premium. If you edit the free one or the basic one, let's edit the basic. So here is the image for basic one. If you want to add the image above this package, then you can add the image here. You can upload it from your PC or you can add it from your media library. And here are all the features you can add to be listed on the free version, the basic version. This one is the basic one. So let's remove some from this. You can turn it on or off, and you can show them on the main page, the listing home front end if you want. But if you turn it off, then it will not show it even if it's on. Okay, let's save it and come to the add listing again. And here you can see these are shown, but these are not included in this section. If you want to hide them, you can also do this using this thing, but I'll prefer to show them and just make a cross on them, so people will know which things are added and which are not. If you want to refresh this now, then you can see that these are hidden now. Some of the features are listed, but many of them are not. Similarly, you can hide features from the free version as well. If you open the pricing plans again and click on free, edit, then let's hide most of them, so we have less options for the free versions. I'm doing this randomly, but you can choose which things you want to give to your users in free and which we added in basic and premium. Okay, these are enough. Let's update and refresh the packages page, and here we are. We have few option in free, a little more option in the basic, and a lot more in premium. So if we choose to go with free version, then users will not be charged for that listing, and they can add their listing like title, tagline, city, phone number, and category. Categories are added in the backend. These categories are here. If you come to listings, click on categories, then these are all the categories mentioned. So there are total 9 categories: arts, entertainment, automotives, beauty and spa, health, medical, etc. If you come here, then all these 9 listings, these 9 categories are added in this list. There is a full address, geolocation. Please remember that when you add or every user add an address, this theme will automatically get the coordinates for Google Map, and it will be shown on Google Map as well. But if you are trying to add listing from backend, then you have to add you are free to add longitude and latitude, Google coordinates, and the map as well. If you scroll down to the map section, even you can add the business logo. Let's search for address. Yes, here is the address, latitude and longitude. You can add both of these coordinates. But even if you are entering just the address and update it, the coordinates will automatically be fetched. Okay, now let's come to the home page again. Now I'll show you how to edit the home page. As I mentioned earlier, these pages are built with Elementor. Then you can right click on this edit with Elementor and open a new tab, and also you can come to your WordPress dashboard, come to the pages, and find which one is your home page, the front page, this one, and click with edit with Elementor, and the same thing will be opened just like this. Okay, now the header is dynamic. This what does this mean? If you come to your dashboard and open the theme options, these theme options are added by Redux framework. When we added the demo contents and plugins, there were an option plugin called Redux framework, and these options are there because of that plugin. So if you click on theme option and click on header, then you will be able to change the layout of your header, as these settings are already added by the demo contents importer. You can also change it later. If you see here, you can here is this current header. If you open your front end, then your current header will look something like this. Let's open a listing so that we can see the header. Okay, this is the header, and if you come to the settings, you can see this one is already selected. You can also choose this one with an image background. So menu will have a transparent image. all these other settings. The search can be listed within the menu as well, and then the Listingpro logo or your own logo, then menu, and then the admin area. Similarly, logo first is logo, then search, then menu, and then admin area. But for now we will leave this like this. Now scroll down and let's see home logo. This is the home page logo. This one, this one is the general logo for inner pages. This one. If you change this, the logo on these pages will be changed. But if you come to your home page, then this is your home page logo. This one, which is you can see is transparent. So this one is the transparent logo. Okay, the fave icon means this icon called fave icon. You can upload your own by uploading file to this thing. The header image, if you open the header image, then this is the header image. If you click on any of the pages, or if you chose to have a header like this, then that header image will work, but we will not upload this for our this design. Okay, choose login pop-up style, this or this. These are the tabs. You can see the sign up and sign in have tabs, but in this we have the sign in page, and the sign up page will be something like here. The link will be here. Okay, so we will have this one right now. So this is how you can change these things. Okay, now come to the banner, which the banner section is this one. This section have this search area, the keyword for any type of business, and the city in which you are trying to search, these titles, and the background. I'll show you all these things, how you can change them, and how to modify this banner section. So come to the themes, click on banner. In the theme option, click on banner. Now here you can see different types of banner styles. Here is the selected one. We have the search bar, some titles, and the categories listing below the banner, which is here. There will be some categories if you have. Okay, now scroll down. Let's see why the categories are not showing. Listing categories, let's add automotive, entertainment, beauty, and spa. Let's add three categories only. If you come to the home page and refresh it, then you will be able to see all these three categories listed here below the banner, these ones. If you add more categories, let's complete 5 hotels and then refresh the home page, then these 2 more categories will be added here as well. Okay, now let's see how you can change these titles and this. Let's scroll up. Below the design, you can choose the style of search bar, like this, transparent, like this. Let me zoom. This one, like transparent, or like this, or like this. Currently it's selected as this. Now the category style, this one, you can choose any of them. You can choose the category color, background, the background color, the background hover color. If you come here and hover it, you can see the background color is darker upon hover. So you can change both these colors, the without hover and the hover color. Text color, the category text color, which is white. Even on hover, they are white. So this is the white color coming from. Okay, the banner height 610px, opacity of banner, banner background type static image. Yes, static image is okay. You can also choose the video banner. If you choose the video banner, then it will ask you for the video URL. You can use YouTube video, or you can use self-hosted video for yourself, for your website. Okay, now the home banner. This background banner can be changed by this image. If you click on upload and choose a different image, then this image will be changed immediately. But I'll leave this image because this one is perfect for the listing directory or the business directory, because every business listings is here. After image, let's scroll down more. Banner taxonomy is categories, locations or featured, which is this one. This one is locations. Listing categories, there are the listing categories which are used here as I showed you earlier. Okay, the banner search placeholder. Example food service barber hotel, which is this example food service barber hotel. Similarly, location your city, which is your city. These are just the placeholders. If you click here, then you can type anything you want. And similarly here, these things are Ajax loaded. If you type F, then it will load relevant things like food or friendly or anything you already have. We do not have much listing, so food will not be there. Let's add automotive. Yes, automotive is there, or restaurant. Which city? If you start typing, then it will load the city names, but we do not have much cities, so click on search. If you search, then all the restaurants will be listed like this with map. So on the map you can see their location as well. Come back to the home page, and you can change these texts. Search top title. Let's uncover the best place to eat, which is let's uncover the best place to eat. You can change this line from here. You can change the main title from here. We have this span for the styling your city. This explore your city, which is explore your city. Okay, just looking around, let's suggest something hot and happening, which is this line. These are two lines here. If you want to change it, then just change it here. Okay, after the banner, I'll show you how to customize all the contents within the page. So if you come to Elementor editor for the home page, I told you you can open it using this link, or you can edit it from the pages section. Okay, after the banner, you can easily click on any of these items and you can change the contents here. If you want to change the alignment of this item, then you can do that as well. Remember that this is a single column, that is why this item expands to the whole width. You can also see this, the life changes when you click on this hide panel, then this will be the page. If you want to add more columns here, then just for this column right click and click on duplicate column and remove all these things, and you can add something else to this column as well, this one. You can right click on any element to remove it, delete it or duplicate it. Okay, now let me remove this column because I do not need this. Scroll down, click on any other element, and this is the text element, not the title one. If you come to the title, then here is the text and all the settings here. You can also assign links here. If you assign a link to this thing, when you click on this, it will be redirected to that page which the link is. Okay, if you come to the next section, this is also the title, this one is text. If you click on this, we have an image. This one is image, which is left column left image, this one. And then you have title text, title text, title text, which is title, title text, title text, title and text. Similarly, this one is title. Everything is quite simple and self-explanatory. If you click on this section, this is not a regular thing, not image, not title. If you click here to edit this, then we have a grid view, the layout section, list view or grid view. These are the ads. These are those ads for which users chose this package. If they want to promote their listings on your website, then they have to pay, and then these listings will be automatically placed on the places you want to add these ads to. So 3 posts or 6 posts, whichever you want. If you want to show more than 6 posts, then you can also do that. You do not have to write these things because these things are already getting from the listing section, from this. There are some ads as well. Okay, now scroll down. This is testimonial section. If you click here to edit, then these are the images for the author, URL, video URL, your testimonial title, author name, and author company, the author avatar, which is this one, and the testimonial text, which is this one. So these things are quite different from each other, but these are all self-explanatory. If you click on them, you can easily check how you can change this from the left sidebar. Okay, I told you how to add listings. Let me add a listing for you so you understand it completely. Let me try to add a new listing, and let's see if we can add a full listing without having a real one. Let's type barber shop or Alex barber shop. Let's type the business tagline. We are fashion. Google address will be, let's type anything here, New York, latitude, longitude, my PIN, phone number, let's add any phone number, WhatsApp number, add email address, website, http://worldclassthemes.com, the Twitter address, Facebook, let's type Facebook, https facebook/64, LinkedIn address, YouTube channel, Instagram, YouTube video URL. You can add a video to your listing as well. Image gallery, upload images. Let's add some images from our featured gallery. Add to gallery, save featured gallery. Now price status, prefer not to say inexpensive, moderate, pricey, and ultra high end. You can choose, or user can choose their pricings from here. Let's type moderate. Price start from 30 and to 300. Not claimed, let's try to add claim. You can add frequently asked questions here, question 1, or you can add new question 2. The timing by default is this one. You can change it if you want to remove Friday or Thursday. Let's remove Friday. We only have 4 days to be added. You can add business logo as well. Now let's add a featured image. Set featured image like this yoga or this exercise. Let's add a larger image. Okay, this one is perfect for this. Choose category. Let's add, it's a barber shop, so beauty and spa, and services. Let's add services as well. Okay, location New York, and click on publish again, and let's see how this listing looks like on the front end. Okay, here is the gallery, and below that you can see all the listing things here. We forgot to add the description, so let's come back and let's see where we can add the description. Okay, here it is. Add a block to the description. Let's add a paragraph. And let's copy this to add more text. Click on update and come to the front end again and refresh it. Now we have all images here. We have the title, we have claim, we have the tagline, the categories, we have address, phone number, website, Facebook link, and we have the moderate pricing 300 to 30 to 300, and we have the description as well. And here someone can send the email address to that person which is the owner of this listing, or who is the owner of the website. So this is how you can add the listing as well. I will share another video where you can add some listings from an existing directory to your Listingpro theme. So I'll leave a link in the description, so please watch that as well. If you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and you will be notified for all my future videos. Thank you.